been playing with him from last 3 years. He's a great guy. For me, he's a great human being. Always wish that I just keep going and play for CSK because I'm just been really enjoying my cricket.
Absolutely, and it's a great to see you play IPL for CSK. So how's it still having MSD behind the stumps?
Well, it's always a pleasure to playing with that guy. Yeah, no, look, he's obviously been playing with him from last 3 years. He's a great guy. For me, he's a great human being. Understand everybody, respect everybody, and we love him. He's the guy who's got the knowledge best in the world, and you just don't need to say anything to him. He knows what field he needs to set for us, and we just need to come and bowl. And plus, we have a pleasure to be in his company, learn a lot of things, and that's what you want as a cricketer, like I said. So yeah, no, look, I always have him in my team, and I obviously always wish that I just keep going and play for CSK because I'm just been really enjoying my cricket.
And creating that culture of swimming against the tide. This is what MS Dhoni is all about. You can't be winning all the matches, all the finals, but the way you carry your team. Last year they couldn't do well, CSK, your team, but the way they carried and got a little bit of momentum towards the end. So this year it should a different sort of CSK should be there on the field, right?
Look, the guy understands cricket. We've been calm as ever. After that campaign, obviously we were so sad and disappointed because we weren't winning. But that's not always. I think the team culture is more important. Everyone understood what was happening, and we obviously hoping for a very good season again. And we're gonna work more harder and come back with the better planning, and hopefully we will do really well this year for CSK, and we want that. As a player, the franchise look after us so well, and we want to give our 500% for them.
Absolutely. And your best top 5 spinners you always followed, from your generation, from your previous generations, you really loved watching them. You've seen them, you've idolized them. What's the top 5 spinners in world cricket?
Look, for me, Abdul Qadir is the first one who I always wanted to be. I've got Shane Warne in my book. Then the people who I really look up to, and there is a third spinner, obviously Mataya Mulli, which was as great as Shane Warne and Abdul Qadir because the guys took so many wickets. So you have to appreciate that. There is Mushtaq Ahmed.
Yes.
And my 5th one will be somewhere is a left-arm spinner, which is Daniel Vittori, who was amazing.